Hello and welcome to our top science news video for today. First up, scientists have discovered a new type of microbe that can eat viruses. This process is called virovery, and it's the first time that scientists have observed this kind of behavior in algae. This discovery could have implications for understanding how viruses spread and how they can be controlled. The research team, led by Professor John Whitaker from the University of Warwick in the UK, discovered that algae called Micromonas pusilla can consume and digest certain types of viruses known as phages. This process is similar to how animals eat food, and it's a completely new way of looking at how viruses and algae interact. The researchers suggest that this new understanding could lead to the development of new methods for controlling the spread of viruses, both in the natural world and in industrial settings. Next, researchers have found that firing a laser into the sky can divert lightning strikes. In a recent experiment, scientists from the University of Central Florida shot a laser beam into thunderstorm clouds and were able to observe changes in the electric fields within the clouds. The laser beam, which was shot from a distance of about 1.5 miles, created a plasma channel in the air, which in turn affected the electric fields in the cloud. This could lead to new ways of protecting people and infrastructure from lightning strikes. The team believes that the laser beam creates a path for the lightning strike to follow, which reduces the risk of it hitting a person or building. This is a promising development as it could provide a safer and more efficient way to redirect lightning strikes. In other news, scientists have found that certain types of gases could be indicators of alien life. These gases, called methylated gases, have been found in exoplanets, and scientists believe that their presence could be the result of biological activity. The study, led by a team from the University of California, Riverside, found that certain types of methylated gases, such as methanol and dimethyl ether, are only produced by living organisms. The team believes that these gases could be used as a biosignature, a sign of life, in the search for extraterrestrial life. The study also suggests that these gases could be used to identify planets that are most likely to support life. In astronomical news, scientists have detected the furthest fast radio burst, FRB, ever recorded. The signal, which was detected from a galaxy located around 4 billion light-years away, is the first FRB detected from outside our Milky Way galaxy. The team, led by Dr. Keith Bannister from the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation in Australia, used the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, a SCAP, telescope to detect the burst. FRBs are extremely powerful and short-lived bursts of radio waves that have been observed in galaxies outside our own. Scientists still don't know what causes these bursts, but they could be the result of a collision between two neutron stars or a black hole. Also, recent unclassified documents reveal that the number of UFO reports to the Pentagon is on the rise. While the majority of these reports can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects, some remain unexplained. The documents, which were obtained by the New York Times, show that there has been a significant increase in the number of reports in the past 2 years. The Pentagon has not commented on the authenticity of the documents, but they indicate that the U.S. military is taking the issue of UFOs more seriously. The documents also reveal that the Pentagon has created a new task force to investigate these reports and to determine whether they pose a threat to national security. Finally, scientists have discovered a new type of subatomic particle called a phi meson. This particle has a unique spin, which could have implications for our understanding of the fundamental nature of matter. The research team, led by scientists from the High Energy Accelerator Research Organization, KEK, in Japan, used the Bell 2 detector at the Super Keck accelerator to observe the behavior of phi mesons. The team found that these particles have a spin of 1, which is a unique and unexpected result. This discovery could help scientists understand the properties of matter at the subatomic level and could lead to new theories about the fundamental nature of the universe. Before we jump into the last piece of news for this week, I would very much appreciate if you consider pressing that subscribe button, and giving the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It really helps a lot. The last piece of news is in materials science. Scientists have developed a new type of hydrogel electronics using nanostructure materials. This technology could lead to more flexible and durable electronic devices. The research team, led by scientists from the University of California, Berkeley, used a new type of hydrogel, called a polyelectrolyte hydrogel, which is made of a network of polymer chains. They then incorporated nanostructures, such as graphene, into the hydrogel to create a new type of electronic material. The resulting hydrogel is highly conductive and can be stretched and bent without losing its electronic properties. This could lead to the development of new types of electronic devices, such as flexible and stretchable sensors and actuators. That's it for our science news update today. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these articles and explanations informative and interesting. If you have any further questions or want to know more about any of the topics covered, feel free to ask. I also posted the articles in the description if you want to read the full story yourself. See you next time.